Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, I'm discussing about the question number 20 from chapter number 3. Bank has 6,050,000 in assets to allocate among investments in bonds, home mortgages, car loans and personal loans. So in this question, they are provided various constants here, and this question asks three parts. First one is we need to formulate an LP model for this problem with the objective of maximizing the expected return on the portfolio. Then part B demands implement your model in spreadsheet and solve it. And part C is what is the optimal solution. So I can help you in this question with all the three parts of this question with an Excel spreadsheet with analytical solver as this spreadsheet demands for analytic solver. So you can just directly reach me out over my WhatsApp and my email address. I've been expertise in this solving these questions from spreadsheet modeling and decision analysis, and I have a large database. This is all of the questions that I've been solving around upon the request of students. And upon the reviews, you can see my reviews here. This is just a latest review. And they got 93.33% out of 100%, not bad. So they were happy about my performance. They have got an exam and I cleared that exam. And they were very happy. So you can just definitely reach me out over my WhatsApp and email address to solve this question. Maximum I can take 1 hour. And yeah, of course, I will share you all the parts of this question in an Excel spreadsheet, what the question demands, and you will be happy with too. So thanks for watching this video and happy to meet you soon. Thank you. Bye. Take care.